What is up, guys? Hello, it's me, Madison, back again. Today I am going to be doing a home haul, I guess you would say. There's a lot, not gonna lie. I actually just filmed my clothing haul because I couldn't put them two together because there's just too much stuff. Without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new and let's get into this video. Okay, so first off, I'm sorry if you can hear in the background. Someone is mowing and weed hacking, so cool. I have 1, 2, and 3 bags of records. I don't actually have a record player yet. I'm looking for some on Amazon at the moment because I really want to buy one. Obviously, I already have records for it. I was shopping at the thrift store with my mom and ended up finding some records for like super cheap, so hopefully they work. And I also went to Half Price Bookstore, found some there as well. Let's start off with the Half Price Bookstore ones. Got a few. Alright, so I have some like older kind of music and then a few like newer people. First, I have the Harry Styles album. This, oh my gosh, so cute, too adorable. I got this one, I'm so excited. Next, I have the Elvis Golden Record. So this just has some of his good ones like Hound Dog, All Shook Up, those songs. So that'll be super fun. Next, I'm actually really excited for this one too. This is Fame. If you have not seen the movie, you totally should because it's so awesome. Oh wow, wait, this is actually the one from like the old movie, which I haven't seen. Didn't realize that. I was talking about the new Fame that I've seen that I really like, so that'll be interesting because I'm not sure about that. Did not realize. I just thought this would be kind of like a fun one. It's called Your Twist Party with the King of the Twist. Your Twist Party with the King of Twist, Chubby Checker. Next, I have ABBA. This one has like Dancing Queen, so that is a good one. Thriller. Oh, look at the tiger. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, I love her. Oh my goodness. Ella Fitzgerald sings the Rogers and the Hart songbook. Yes. There's a lot of good ones from her, so I'm excited to listen to that. Ooh, another freaking good one. Etta James, baby. Oh yeah, at last. Oh my gosh, you know who she is. Please listen to her. I beg you. And then last but not least from the Half Price Bookstore is Lana Del Rey. She's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Alright, so next are the bags from the thrift stores, which I hope they work. I mean, they were super cheap anyway, but like, let's hope these work. There was a lot of Barbra Streisand, so I have a lot of her albums here. Barbra Streisand People. Oh my gosh, you have to see all of her faces on the back. Isn't she so cute? Like, look at her. Oh my gosh. Barbra Streisand Happening in Central Park. Oh my gosh, look at her dresses. That is a smelly one. That smells like the thrift store. Season's Greetings from Barbra Streisand. Good one. Simply Streisand. My Funny Valentine is on here. Then we have Je m'appelle Barbara. Oh my gosh, so many Barbaras. Next one is The Big Sound of Today. I don't really know what it is. I just kind of like the front cover. It's cute. No. It has You're So Vain on here. Okay, I do recognize one. But there's a few that my mom knows, so I got that one. Last from that thrift store is Harry James and his orchestra for listening and dancing. Holy moly, this is so big. Dang it. Ugh. There's 5 sides. Whew. Okay, I'm putting that back because I'm strong. I'm so struggling. Dang, holy crap. That was hard. Workout for the day. And last, we have a few more records. Okay, first we have Nat King Cole, Ramblin' Rose. So that should be good, a little jazzy. Let's All Sing. Honestly, don't know what this is, but look how old it is. It looked like it had some fun songs on here. Perry Como Christmas album. Got a little Christmas songs on there. Oh look, another Barbra Streisand song, Songbird. Look at the puppy. Alright, 4 left, so got another Barbra Streisand one. Another one, look at her. Oh my gosh, her booty is popping. Right, the girl from Grease. That's who that was. And the last one, Johnny Mattis, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. This is kind of just more of another one that my mom recognized some of the songs of. I went ahead and bought it. Next, I'm going to show you my mug collection because I have so many flipping mugs. Pretty much all the ones I've got like very recently. So let's jump into that. Now I am surrounded by mugs. I have so many. If I see a mug I like I can't turn it down, man. It's very hard for me, okay? I'm like a mugaholic. I'm so sorry, but not sorry, so. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my goodness. Oh, another neighbor is mowing. That's great. These ones I got actually from Big Lots. I just thought they were so freaking cute. So this is what it looks like. Next, I have a collection of 4 that are pretty similar. So these I got from TJ Maxx. They're kind of like the other ones. They're like kind of a different color, but like have the specs on them. I just have this striped one, then an up stripe one, and then I have these 2 ones with squiggles and dots, and they are just the cutest thing, and I love them, and I love the little set. I was lucky because there's only like 1 of each left, so got lucky. They were asking me to buy them. Next, these ones are from Target, an off-white with like the little bumps on them. I love having texture. I think it's so fun. Then the next one, my mom and dad actually were in California. I don't know, it was a while ago, but they got me this mug and it says Hollywood established in 1903, and I just love it, and it's like a copper, goldy copper or whatever. Then the next one, these are also from, I can't remember, these might be from TJ Maxx, but anyways, they just remind me of like knitted socks. They're kind of like an off-white but more like cool toned, and I thought they were really fun and different, and I like how they're like not shaped like perfect, like they look like handmade. They also have like the fun texture, which I like. If you couldn't tell, I'm kind of a sucker for like the neutral colors. Like all of these are like off-white or white. This next one is kind of like, it's like a little bowl but with a handle. This is from Target. This is what it looks like. Surprise! One that is not white. So this is actually a 10 little mug here, and this is from TJ Maxx. Ta-da! Okay, okie dokie. Next, let's see. I have this one, another white one. It has this little detail of flowers at the top, which I love. You can kind of tell the flowers, really pretty, dainty. This next one I got actually in California. It was from, yes, Warner Bros. I saw it at the bottom. Warner Bros. Our brothers, their like lot or whatever, their tour, and it has the Lukes, and it's from Gilmore Girls, so I thought that was really adorable, and I got it. I couldn't resist it. I need to watch this show again because it's been a while. That reminds me, oh my gosh, if you guys have not heard, I can't remember where I saw it, but Friends is going off of Netflix, and I'm just like, what? I always just know it's there, so it's like, it's a comfort for me, but now it's not gonna be there anymore, and I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. So just a heads up, Friends is going off Netflix, and that's very, very sad. Alright, just a few more mugs. This one is just a little mug. I don't know where this is from. I think this is from Old Time Pottery. Yeah. Here's what it looks like. Next is this adorable one. It says be kind, but like B-E-E, and it has a little B on it, which I just think is such a cute little detail. Like, isn't that adorable? There is a man in a truck backing up, and it's really awkward because my window's open. Next is this little mason jar mug, and it just looks like that. It just has the words like sticking out on it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, one of my friends gave this to me, and it has this on the back, and it was just really sweet because she knew I loved this show. It has an M on it, and it's like has the little beads on the bottom. I really like it, and it's really simple. This is the other one that has my initial on it. I think this is from TJ Maxx maybe, I don't know. It has an M on it, and I'm pretty sure this is from, it might be Walmart or Big Lots, but I don't remember. It has the M, and then it wraps around with the flowers. And then the last mug, we have this one. I think it's from either At Home or TJ Maxx, and it's kind of like a scaly looking-ish one. It looks like this. Okay, I went ahead and got the rest of the stuff on my bed. I'm a little cluttered, but that's okay. Next, I thought I would go ahead and show you guys some of the candles I bought. There's not too many. This one is from Pier 1. It's called Cool Gray. It just kind of smells like a guy's cologne. It's very relaxing, I guess you would say. I don't know how else to describe it. This one is also from Pier 1, and it's called Moscow Mule. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it through the camera. I really do. I would say this one kind of smells like a really good drink. I'm gonna leave it at that. Next, I have a few from Target, just a couple. This one is called Quiet Harbor. I think it was part of their like 4th of July section. I don't know how to describe this one. It's kind of like perfume, baby powder, just like subtle vibe. Sounds kind of gross, but it smells really good. The tin is also very cute. I think it's really cute. And then the second one from Target I have is another small one called Wild Hibiscus Sangria. It's black cherry merlot soy candle. Okay, cool. This one I always have trouble opening. Oh, I got it. But yes, it just smells so good. It has these really cute little peacocks on it. I forgot there's one more I got from Target. It is the Amber Vanilla, the collection. Yeah, kind of like a woodsy vibe with some like vanilla coffee-ish type feel. And then it has the black, oh my gosh. It has a black little wood lid is what I was trying to say. And I just have 2 candles left. This one is from Big Lots. It says Soulmates on it, and this is Moss and Lichen. And then the last one I have is from Hobby Lobby, and I love this packaging of this candle. This is Madagascar Vanilla and Cedar. Take a look at that packaging, this little jar. It's so cute and detailed. Oh my gosh. Okay, next I have a few like kitchen-y type things for my future home. Here I just have 3 of them. They're from Target. They're these little pots, little cups, little jars, little bowls. Pick your choice. They just look like this. Very cute, very cute. I got 3 jars. There's this tall one, and then I got 2 of these fatter ones and 1 of this skinnier one. These are from Hobby Lobby. They're like the ceramic with the splatter paint kind of, and then the white paint stripes, which I love. Hello, hello. Testing, testing, 1 2 1 2. I hate me. Alright, so these are like little baskets. My grandma actually had them and they were just packed and she never used them. They're from Pampered Chef. The bottom and this little part at the edge, it's kind of like a cherry wood type of stain. I'm definitely going to DIY and paint that either white or off-white or like maybe a tan color, we'll see. And then I also have this big round one. I just love them and I think they're so adorable. Again, yeah, like the same colors, like I'll paint it. This is kind of like what it looks up close. Alright, next I have a few things for like utensils and stuff like that. But oh my goodness, look at these spoons. These are so cute. My mom got them from Pampered Chef. She just bought me a few things at one point. I was like, oh, thank you. Look how cute these are. Like, they're so adorable. Alright, lastly, what I'm going to show you is a few things that I got for, like, my room. I got this big boy right here. This is a big comforter it's by Lauren Conrad. It's from Kohl's and got it on sale, which I love. It's like this pale green color, and then it has the little ruffles and the X's on it. And I just think it's so cute. Let me show you. Where's the picture? I'll show you like what it's supposed to look like. So that's kind of like an idea of like what it's supposed to look like in the end. Then I also went ahead and got 2 of their pillowcases that match the bed. Next, I also got this from Kohl's and it's a letterboard. I think this is so cute because it is the same green color as my comforter and it just matches so well. And just wait, I'll show you in a second something else that matches amazingly from Kohl's. Okay, so these 2 next things, they match like exactly as well. The wood does. First is this, what do you call this? Linen pin board. It's kind of hard to say. Just like stick the pins in and you can like put pictures on there, notes or whatever. And then the last thing from Kohl's is this to-do list board. It's like a dry erase marker board. So those all will go in my bedroom. Okay, this next piece is from Hobby Lobby. That's right. And it says Crazy Blessed. And I think it's so sweet. Kind of like a warmer toned wood. I really liked it and it was also on sale, so got that. Okay, but the last thing I have to show you is from Target and I got it before I left so I could use my discount. But it is this game of Monopoly, but look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. It's a wood box and I'll show you the back, but it has, the board is like puzzle pieces you put together and it looks like kind of like cardboard style and it's like old fashioned looking. It's so cute. Hold on. It just looks like this and you can put the puzzle pieces together for the board, but it's so cute. So I could not resist. They have a few other games that are like the wood kind of vibe going on, but I wasn't about to spend like $1 million on just a few games that look pretty. So I already had ended the video, but I just remembered that I had these pillows that I got from Big Lots. Yeah, I just have a square one. It has fringe at the bottom and it looks like the macrame I have on my wall, so it's like a perfect match and I thought it was just really cute little pillows, and I don't have any decorative pillows, so I thought this would be perfect. That is all. Thanks. Okay, so that is it for this video. That took a while. I didn't realize how much stuff I have consumed consumed, what? Accumulated, there you go, over the past few months or so or whatever. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And what else? Oh, duh. Notifications bell. YouTube is weird, and if you don't push it, then you won't get notified when I'm posting videos, and then you'll miss videos, which is so sad. So, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!